In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix blurry photos on Instagram. So go into Instagram and tap on the profile at the bottom right and then the three lines at the top right. Then let's tap on settings and then tap on data usage. And there are two different settings in here. One is to use less cell data, and if this is toggled on, this will reduce the quality of any of those photos, so you want to make sure that you turn that off. And then the next thing that you want to do is make sure that you tap upload at the highest quality, and this will make sure that when you're uploading your content, it'll be at the highest resolution that your camera took. Now the next thing we'll do is get out of here and open up a web browser, and we'll type in speed test. This is because Instagram will show a blurry version of a photo as an initial kind of placeholder until it loads a full resolution photo. And they usually do that to save on data space and to make things load quicker. So if you have slow internet, then that's potentially why it's not loading that full resolution version and giving you those blurry images. So let's tap on run speed test, and if this is faster than 5 megabytes per second, then that should be fast enough to load up Instagram. But if you find that it is super slow or your internet's not working, then you can always just swipe down from the top right and toggle off Wi-Fi and probably switch to another Wi-Fi with better signal or switch to cellular data. Potentially, this will help you with any of those blurry images. If you have any questions, then leave a comment below and leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out.